Hey, what's up? TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Going viral is always kind of in the back of everyone's mind. I wonder if this is gonna go viral. How many likes is this gonna get? I hope this gets a lot of views. This is Stella from Joyful Classrooms, and today I'm gonna teach you 3 key things that you should be doing on your social media to help you blow up and go viral. These tips can be used for any social media platform, so use them on all. Okay, the first tip that you need to know to blow up on social media is to post consistently. Social media algorithms love consistency. You should be posting every single day or whatever you deem appropriate for whatever platform you're using. Posting consistently will help the algorithm push out more content more often. Your reach is going to grow immensely. Also, the more people that see your posts, eventually they're going to follow you because they're not going to want to miss any of your posts. They can count on you to be posting consistently. These are my rundowns for how often you should be posting on each social media platform. On Instagram, you should be posting at least 1 time on the feed, 1 time as a reel, and at least 6 Instagram stories. On TikTok, at least 3 times per day. On Facebook, at least once a day. On Twitter, at least 2 times per day. On Pinterest, at least 3 times per week. And on YouTube, at least 3 times per week. Now, of course, this all depends on what social media platforms you currently have or are using, but I definitely recommend looking into all of them. Posting consistently on all the platforms will definitely help you blow up. The second tip for how to blow up on social media that you should be doing is to follow trends. Trends are a huge part of social media. Every single platform has trending content week to week, and it can even change day to day. What's viral or trending one morning might not even be trending anymore that night. Trends keep people engaged and not bored with any content. It is always new and refreshing to see. Trending content could include a popular song in the background of a video, a photo filter, a certain type of editing technique, a certain tip, a hashtag, or more. The reason you should always follow trends is to stay relevant. People like to follow the new and now. People are always itching to know what's going on and how to be extremely up to date. An important thing to note, however, is that not all of your content should be trendy. It is really important to have some evergreen content in there as well. Good consistency is important. Evergreen content is a type of content that will never go out of style. This could be information about your product, information about your brand, business Q&As. Having a balance of both trending and evergreen content is going to be really important to ensure your audience is getting new content, but also still staying up to date on your business and what you're actually trying to accomplish, which is probably selling a product. Your trending content should be about 1/4 of the content you're posting. The rest of it can be evergreen. But this trending content is definitely most important for Instagram Reels, Twitter, and TikTok. The last tip for how to blow up on social media is to show your face and give the audience what they want. Being personable on social media is extremely important to blowing up. People are more likely to give you a like or share when they relate to what you're doing or what you're saying. On every platform, you should be posting photos or videos showcasing yourself. People are much more likely to engage and interact or watch the whole thing when they know it's coming from a real person, one that they can relate to. Going along with this, giving the audience what they want is important. Speak efficiently and effectively to your audiences, and you should tell them exactly what they want to know, what you're going to teach them, or how they can relate to you. This is my rundown for these types of posts on every social media platform. Begin every day on Instagram stories with a photo or video of your face introducing the day and asking a question. At least 1 TikTok a day should show your face, and at least every other day on your Instagram feed should show you. So let's recap. I've taught you 3 very highly valuable tips for how to blow up on social media and go viral. Post consistently, follow trends, and showcase yourself. If you have stuck around for the end of this video, comment viral down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video!